Hello and welcome to Orissa Post Live. This is Shriyanka presenting the top headlines of the day. In a major crackdown Monday, police arrested prime accused Biban Biswal from Pune in connection with the sensational Lanchana Mishra gang rape case. Biban had been absconding for the last 22 years, Commissioner of Police Sudhanshu Sarangi confirmed at a presser held here. The arrested had escaped the eyes of police and was hiding at Ambi Valley area in Pune. Puducherry Chief Minister B. Narayanasamy resigned Monday after his Congress-led government collapsed just before facing the floor test in the Assembly. After the dramatic walkout by Narayanasamy and his MLAs, Speaker B.P. Sivakolundu announced that the government has lost its majority. All eyes on Odisha Finance Minister Niranjan Pujari, who will present the state budget for the 2021-22 fiscal in a short while from now. The state is staring at a contraction of 4.92% due to the outbreak of COVID-19 pandemic last year. So everyone will be interested to know what remedial measures will be implemented to ease the contraction. The Special Relief Commissioner SRC Sunday directed the district collectors, superintendents of police and municipal commissioners to ensure strict implementation of COVID-19 safety guidelines in all public places, including workplaces, to avoid any chance of resurgence of the virus in the state. The livestock inspector of Karlaput Wildlife Sanctuary in Kalahandi was placed under suspension for dereliction of duty Monday by the Chief District Veterinary Officer Chaitanya Charan Sethi. In a crackdown Sunday afternoon, Kandhamal District Police arrested Mahadev Maharaj, who was a former employee at Jalespata Kanyashram, in connection with the death threats to the ashram chief Swami Jeevan Muktananda Puri. Andhra Pradesh carried out concrete road laying work at Palam Tulsi village in Raigada district of Odisha Sunday afternoon. According to sources, the Andhra government also put up concrete poles on the side of the road at Palam Tulsi village, connecting it with the two of its own bordering villages, namely Kitilang and Jirang. The Bombay High Court has granted bail to P. Varavara Rao, one of the prime accused in Bhima Koregaon case, on medical grounds for 6 months. The bail order was passed by a division bench comprising Justice S.S. Shinde and Justice Manish Pitale in two separate matters pertaining to the 82-year-old ailing activist. That's all for today's top stories. To stay updated, keep watching Orissa Post Live.